Big bird. Looks like a blue heron, crane. I can usually see her in the back, but I can't from this location. I'm right up the road again before my property. I wanted to stop here before I went in to my place. I'm trying to show you guys a little bit. This is an interesting place also, but I can't get a good view of anything. Maybe up here I can. Let's see. Usually back in that corner right there, it's usually pretty good. But with this all being dead now, it's hard to see back there. If you guys see anything, post it in the comments and we'll talk about it. We'll discuss it. Appreciate you guys. See you guys on the next one. Blessings.